Dear students, in previous module you have learnt about northern plains. In this module you will learn about the coastal plains. The plain land that lies along the coast is the coastal plain. It is divided into western and eastern coastal plain. They stretch from Gujarat to West Bengal. The two coastal plains meet at Kanyakumari. The western coastal plain lies between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. It stretches from Gujarat to Kerala. It is divided into three parts: the Gujarat coast, the Konkan coast, and the Malabar coast. Lagoons or backwaters are found along the Malabar coast. The eastern coastal plain lies between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. It stretches from West Bengal to Tamil Nadu. It is wider than the western coastal plain. It is divided into two parts: the northern part known as the Northern Sircars, the southern part called the Coromandel coast. Now we will discuss about the life in the coastal plains. The two coastal plains cover some part of the states of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, and West Bengal. Fishing and farming are the main occupations. Rice and coconut are the main crops grown here. There are number of ports that are used to export and import goods. People grow jowar, bajra, cotton and sugar cane in Gujarat. Many people are traders. Some are engaged in dairy farming. Along the coast, salt is made by drying seawater. There are many textile mills and oil refineries. Most people speak Gujarati. Ras Garba is a popular folk dance. Goa is famous for cashew nuts and mangoes. Konkani is widely spoken here. The beautiful beaches are big tourist attraction. St. Xavier's Church, Fort Aguada and Dudhsagar Falls are visited by many tourists. Rubber, tea, coffee and spices are the important crops of Kerala apart from rice and coconut. Choir making is an important activity. Kathakali is the popular classical dance. People speak Malayalam. Onam and Vishu are the popular festivals here. Tea and coffee are grown in Tamil Nadu. Kanchipuram and Madurai are the main centers of silk weaving. People are fond of idli, dosa, upma and sambar. Bharatnatyam is a popular dance. Tamil is the main language and Pongal is an important festival here. Andhra Pradesh is the famous Kalamkari work. Mica and limestone are found here. Kuchipudi is a popular dance. Vishakhapatnam is an important seaport. Odisha is famous for its textiles, silverwork and handicraft items. Cuttack and Rourkela are the industrial cities. Odissi is a popular dance. Most people speak Odia. The Rath Yatra is a popular festival here and the Chilika Lake attracts many tourists. Dear students, in this module you have learnt the western coastal plains and the eastern coastal plains are found along the western and eastern coast of India respectively. Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and West Bengal share the coastline of India. Fishing and farming are the main occupations of the people in the coastal region. Thank you.